In this video, we will have a quick walkthrough of a typical layout for a 6 ton per day CBG plant based on Napier grass as the input feedstock. In this particular case, what you see on this north side is the road, and the entry into the plot, the premises is provided here. Typically what we do is we provide space for parking of trucks, tractor trolleys close to the entrance. There is a weighbridge provision at the entrance so that the vehicles entering the facility go through the weighment at the entrance itself. There is a reserved area for office along with the green area, which is mandated by the environmental clearance departments. Silage would be required for storing the Napier grass for the days when the direct feed would not be available. So typically when there is feedstock coming into the plant, it goes through this 10-meter wide road and enters the section where the Napier grass is fed into the feed shed. There is a ramp that essentially enables the trolley to raise to the required level of the feed shed. The feedstock is loaded into the hoppers. There is a loading, buffering and a crushing mechanism within the feed shed. Once the feedstock is crushed, it is fed into these 4 pre-treatment tanks where the pre-processing happens using enzymatic treatment processes. Once the grass is pre-treated with water and enzymes, the feedstock is the slurry is fed into these anaerobic digester tanks. There are 2 tanks in this case, 2 digesters in this case, which are interconnected. There is a overflow tank, which is what we call as the digestate tank, where the solid and the liquid particles are mingled together as it flows from the digester. The SLS decanter takes in the digestate as the input and gives out the liquid digestate, which is housed in liquid digestate tank. There is a manure sun drying section, which will essentially enable us to stock up the manure for a certain period of time and evacuate the material on a periodical basis. This area is provisioned for storage of raw biogas in form of either capsule balloons or ground mounted balloons. The biogas upgradation is essentially where we remove the impurities of carbon dioxide, hydrogen sulfide and moisture. Once the gas is purified to the required purity levels, it goes through the process of compression into the cascades. Water sump, hydrant sump and the pump pits are planned together. Essentially, our fire hydrant sump is designed as per the norms defined by the National Building Code 2016, and adjacent to that a pump pit is a place where the 3 pumps are placed, which is required as per the norms of the firefighting. The control panel room houses the LT panels, which will be connected to the transformer and further distributes the power to various equipments across the layout. This layout essentially ensures number one, there is a compliance to the local laws of the land. Number two, it is well designed to ensure ease of operations during the running of the plant. Number three, it is essentially designed so that all the equipments can be reachable during the maintenance phase. So there is adequate spacing that has been planned between the structures, and all these individual structures are accessible either through the road or through a certain entrance wherein crane or any other maintenance equipments can be reached through, so that there is a hassle-free maintenance process that can be carried out. Thank you.